Welcome to Synapse Yield, an automated DeFi yield optimizer built for the Monad testnet, leveraging MetaMask smart accounts and the delegation toolkit. Synapse Yield solves DeFi complexity by replacing manual, multi-transaction processes with a secure, non-custodial, and automated strategy. We do this using ERC-4337 smart accounts for a simple UX and MetaMask scoped delegation, so our keeper service can rebalance assets without ever accessing your private keys. Let's launch the app. The first step is to connect our wallet. We'll connect our primary wallet. This EOA, or externally owned account, will be the owner of our new smart account. Next, we authenticate with the platform by signing a message. This is SIWE, or Sign In with Ethereum. It proves we own the wallet without spending any gas. Now we will create a delegation by signing it using our EOA. This delegation allows the app's backend EOA to perform transaction on the user's smart account behalf. The app has an activity log to see the current live activity of the user's smart account. Currently, it's showing that the delegation creation was successful. To use the smart account, it needs to be funded. First, we need to send some MON tokens from our main wallet to this new smart account address. I'll send 0.2 MON to fund it. This is a standard EOA transaction to transfer the funds. Great, the balance is confirmed. Now, the account is counterfactual. It exists but isn't on-chain yet. We need to activate it by sending its first transaction. We'll go to the Manage Funds page. Here on the Manage Funds page, I'll send a small self-transfer, 0.01 MON, from the smart account back to itself. This simple operation is all that's needed to deploy the account on-chain. This is our first user operation. Notice it's sponsored by Pimlico's Paymaster, so we pay no gas fees for this activation. The transaction is complete, and our smart account is now deployed on-chain. Now, let's put some funds to work. I'll navigate to the staking page. We'll start by staking into the Magma protocol. I'll stake 0.01 MON. Because we've already set up delegation, this is now a one-click action. The platform sends the transaction using the permission we just granted. The transaction is sent to the bundler, confirmed on-chain, and our balances update automatically. We now have 0.01 GMON. Similarly, we can also stake to Kintsu for Kintsu SMON tokens. For now, I will stake more 0.02 tokens on Magma. The platform also supports direct swaps between assets, all using the same delegation. I'm going to swap 0.01 GMON directly for SMON. This uses our delegation to interact with PancakeSwap's router. And the swap is confirmed. This all leads to the Yield Optimizer page. Here, the app monitors the simulated APYs and our portfolio balance. It sees our assets are imbalanced and recommends a rebalance. For users who enable automation, this rebalancing check is run automatically every 5 minutes by a cron job. But, as we'll do now, you can also trigger it manually at any time. I'll trigger this rebalance manually with a single click. This executes the swap needed to bring the portfolio back to a 50-50 split. The rebalance is complete, and our portfolio is now balanced, with roughly 0.015 of each staked asset. Now, there's an important difference here between testnet and mainnet. On this testnet, the optimizer is using a simple 50-50 ratio balancing. On mainnet, this logic would be far more advanced, rebalancing based on live, on-chain APY data to maximize your return. Finally, let's look at the activity page. Using the NVO indexer, this feed shows all on-chain activity for the protocols, including our own manual stakes and swaps, I'll filter to show only automated transactions. And here, you can see transactions marked with a bot icon. These are fully automated rebalances, executed by the back-end keeper service when these users' portfolio was imbalanced. Now, I'll show you how to enable that 5-minute automatic rebalancing. We just go back to the dashboard. It's this simple automation toggle. By turning this on, I'm opting in. The keeper, which runs on that cron job, now has permission, based on the delegation we signed earlier, to automatically monitor and rebalance my portfolio. This completes the demo of Synapse Yield. Thank you for watching.